Have you heard? It is said that we only use 10% of our brain. But what about the rest? If we could use our entire brain, could we become super intelligent? Could we move objects with our minds through telekinesis? Today, we will delve deep into this popular belief and confront the facts. If you're ready, let's explore the limits of our brain. 1. Where did the 10% brain belief come from? The origin of this claim is not entirely clear, but it gained popularity in the late 19th century when psychologist William James stated that humans use only a small portion of their potential. However, this did not mean that we only use 10% of our brain. In the early 20th century, some scientists misinterpreted the fact that a large part of brain tissue seemed inactive, leading to this belief. Hollywood also loved this idea. Movies like Lucy, 2014, and Limitless, 2011, spread the notion that if we could use 100% of our brain, we would gain superhuman abilities. But science tells us that this is completely false. 2. How much of our brain do we really use? Brain scans and neuroscience studies show that every part of our brain is active in some way. Even while sleeping, a significant portion of our brain remains engaged. So, the 10% belief is entirely a myth. Thanks to functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, technology, researchers have observed that even during simple tasks, a large part of our brain is active. Whether we are talking, walking, thinking, or even resting, different regions of our brain are constantly at work. 3. What if we could use 100% of our brain? In reality, we already use our entire brain. However, what if our neurons could operate at maximum efficiency? We wouldn't necessarily become super intelligent or telekinetic, but our reaction time might shorten, our memory could strengthen, and our problem-solving skills could improve. However, this could also bring negative consequences, such as increased energy consumption and excessive stress. Our brain already uses about 20% of the body's energy. If it worked even harder, our metabolism might collapse. 4. Can we improve our brain function? Yes. It is possible to make our brain work more efficiently. Here are some scientifically proven methods. Learning new things enhances brain plasticity. Practicing meditation and focus exercises. Regular exercise and healthy eating increases oxygen supply to the brain. Getting quality sleep, crucial for memory and cognitive functions. The best way to use our brain effectively is to continuously challenge and develop it. The belief that we use only 10% of our brain is completely false. In reality, every part of our brain functions, and it is far more complex than we think. We may not gain superpowers, but improving and utilizing our brain more efficiently is entirely in our hands. So, what do you think? If you could unlock your brain's full potential, how would your life change? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more How and Why videos.